To fly a plane, you need to be a licensed pilot. To drive a car, you need to have a driving license. Similarly, to handle projects, to take up projects, you need to be a certified project management professional. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So after I got increased number of requests from you to make learning videos on project management, I have decided that much of my videos will be on project management in a very simple, easy and a creative manner so that you get to learn it and pass the PMP exam. Because in today's world, in the current situation, if you are failing in the PMP exam, that is a clear indication to your employer, to your sponsor, that you cannot take the right decisions at the right time. So they would be hesitant to give the project to you because nobody wants to risk his money into a person or to a project in which he feels that it would fail. Anyways, the good news here is that by the end of this video, I have got a gift, a surprise, a giveaway for you. So remember to watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So let's begin with the subject of this video. And the first thing is, what is PMP certification? Well, PMP stands for Project Management Professional. This certificate is most valued, respected and globally recognized. Do you know what is the meaning of globally recognized? It means all over the world it is valued and acknowledged. So let's say that there is a job position in Canada for projects. So if you have got the PMP certification with the relevant experience in projects, you can land this job. And moreover, PMP certification is based on knowledge, skills, tools and techniques. And the book for this certification by PMI is PMBOK, which is known as Project Management Body of Knowledge. Now let's look at the second part of this video, that why should you do PMP certification next, or what are the benefits of doing PMP? Well, did you know that every company has got projects to handle? The recent project in almost every company all over the world is that what percentage of employees should we get back to work at office and what percentage should be still working at home. So these are the projects. So in every company there are HR projects, IT projects, civil projects and so on. Now let's look at few of the benefits of doing PMP. I've prepared a note on this and let's go to it together. Well, if you look from an average mindset, then the reason to do PMP would be a salary increase, or just because your employer has asked you to do the PMP certification. But if you think from a mindset of an intellectual person, then the benefits of doing PMP is salary increase, advancement in career, international job opportunities, and ability to think big. That means critical thinking. So when you pass PMP, the exam is for 200 questions of all case studies. When you pass that, you actually get a skill of creative thinking, critical thinking. So that gives you an ability to think big. You'll also have an opportunity to network with experts when you get to be as a PMI member. And lastly, you will learn many new skills. So these are the benefits of doing PMP. Alright friends, so we have covered what is PMP, what is its value, what is its benefits and so on. And now it's time for me to announce the giveaway. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so if you message me on LinkedIn or if you write to me in the comments below on why do you want to learn project management, I will gift you the PMBOK guide, the Project Management Body of Knowledge, the whole book for free. So without wasting any more time, just write to me, why are you interested in doing project management? Why do you want to learn it? And I will give you the book so that along with the videos, you also have a book in hand which you can refer to, and it would get very easy for you to pass the PMP exam. I'll see you soon with another video. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourself.